The Gavin Herbert Eye Institute is partnering with the Holland Foundation for Sight Restoration to establish a severe ocular surface disease program of excellence under the direction of Dr. Marjan Farid.
Patients with severe ocular surface disease are those who have suffered a chemical or thermal injury to the eye, or suffer from a severe autoimmune disease to the surface of the eye, such that they are completely corneal blind. When I completed my fellowship training here in corneal disease and surgery with the world-renowned Dr. Roger Steinert and joined him on faculty here at UC Irvine in 2007, his dream was to establish a center to treat patients with severe ocular surface disease. He connected me with his great friend, Dr. Ed Holland, who is really the international leader on ocular surface transplantation and reconstruction. Currently, there are so few surgeons that can take on these patients, as the workload and ability to form these multidisciplinary teams are very challenging.
I had a melanoma in 2019, and as I was treated for that, my eye situation became more prevalent. My ophthalmologist suggested that I had a serious eye disease and recommended that I see Dr. Farid. Prior to this, I was extremely independent. I worked full-time. The ocular surface disease caused me my loss of independence. I had to depend on people to do everything for me. I couldn't write a check. I couldn't pay bills. I couldn't read email. I couldn't cook. I couldn't do any of that. We did the surgery on my right eye. I don't think you can put a value on your eyesight. To have something that Dr. Farid can provide to people that need this is just without limits.
We would not be here without Dr. Holland's support and his lifetime dedication to treating corneal blindness. The goal is to treat as many patients as possible. We can do this by transferring the knowledge and success that has been learned by Dr. Holland's team here to UC Irvine. This requires many hours of dedicated healthcare support to make the total management of these cases possible. With such a team in place, we will be able to be the West Coast solution for patients who require ocular surface transplantation and treat so many more patients.
As a cornea surgeon, Dr. Farid is truly top of class, with international standing, tremendous skill, and a compassion and commitment to her patients that is second to none. There is no other clinician more qualified or committed to establish a program like this at UCI than Dr. Farid. Because of the extensive coordination necessary to treat these patients, she has been able to perform only a few of these vital procedures a year. The Severe Ocular Surface Program of Excellence at the UCI Health Gavin Herbert Eye Institute will transform lives by increasing the number of patients with severe corneal disease Dr. Farid is able to treat. Together, we can create a healthier tomorrow.